dignitaries on the dais, all the galaxy of teachers of LKC, CTE and good, and all the student friends. Friends, we are living in a society so that which we are calling 21st century, which is otherwise known as a burning society. And in one way we are developing day by day in the arena of science, technology, in economy, but on the other side, we are suffering from various kind of issues related to the society, maybe social issues, socio-cultural issues, socio-emotional issues, maybe psychological issues, whatever may be the reason. Not only the students, but also we all the professionals are facing various kinds of problems today in our colleges, in our institutions, and in a broad arena in our day-to-day life. We are facing a lot of problems. There are thousands of problems in our everyday life. That problems may be related to some persons, may be related to our activities of past, or may be related to our perception regarding something, our outlook regarding something. That's why there is a saying in Hindi that मानो तो जीवन में सुख ही सुख, मानो तो जीवन में बस सुख ही सुख, और ना मानो तो जीवन में दुख का दरिया। मानो तो जीवन में सुख ही सुख और ना मानो तो जीवन में दुख का दरिया। देखो मेरे यारों, जीवन और कुछ भी नहीं, बस अपनी अपनी समझने का नजरिया। That's why we are telling that any event has no color. Our perception makes it colorful. Any event has no meaning. Our perception gives it a meaning. That's why today we are having a dignitary person with us. Dear friends, in this auspicious occasion, today we are having with us Dr. Rashmita Bhanjadev Madam, neuropsychiatrist specialist, district headquarters hospital, Angul, to talk more about stress management, to talk more about the issues we are facing today. So with profound request, with profound honor, on behalf of LKC CTE family, now I would like to welcome Dr. Bhanjadev Madam. Please come on the dais, please come on the stage and address our gathering. Madam, please.
Teachers and all the colleagues. I'm Dr. Rashmita. I was working as a psychiatrist specialist in the hospital. So today we'll be discussing. Am I audible? Now? Yes? Okay. So today I'm here to talk about the stress management. So before that, so I wanted, it's an interactive session, it will not be a boring session. I wanted you all to answer it. So let's start. So what do you mean by stress? Why stress is a burning topic nowadays? Why we have arranged this stress management in the colleges? Because as you all can see, now the quota has become the hub for the suicide. People are not able to cope up with the stresses. They are not able to handle the stress, the competitions, and they are committing the suicides. Because of this stress, they are not able to handle it, and they are committing the suicide. So, how you wanted to manage the stress, what is the stress, how you need to handle these stresses, I'm here to speak about. Okay? So, first. Next. So, stress is the epidemic. Just like the corona, we had an epidemic. Stress is the epidemic in the 21st century. The most leading cause of suicide. It's because of the depression. When we used to study, the depression used to be the, like 10 years back, depression used to be the 5th most leading cause of death. But now it has become the 2nd most leading cause of death. It's all because of the stress. People are not able to handle the stresses. Okay, next. So before going to stress, What are all the stresses you have? Stress, suicide. Before I go to the slides, I wanted you to answer first. Are you able to understand what I'm able to say? Are you comfortable in English? Do I need to come in the last? कहନ୍ତୁ stress, suicide, एगुड़ा कौन पे करा होची? Why people are committing suicide? What are the reasons? Yes, get up. Stand. Whenever we are not able to control the situation. Okay. And then how? You don't have all of you don't have any stresses? No stress? No one has a stress over here, then there is no need of session then. Acha, I'll ask you one more. Pressure जानते टेंशन तो सब लोग नाम में पता है पर और स्ट्रेस ये तीन तरह डिफरेंस को ही पहले प्रेशर माने कौन है टेंशन माने कौन है स्ट्रेस माने कौन है सब दिन तो कहना अरे टेंशन में अच्छी तो स्ट्रेस में अच्छी you don't want to answer प्रेशर माने कौन if you speak out the tension जो कभी कोई कारण से भूल कोई नहीं देगी that is also a tension in the pressure because of the shyness you are not saying when you speak it out your pressure will come out you will be the teacher as well next this stress के whether you should directly go for the management you don't want to interact and you go in direct like I speak out and then go you don't want to interact मुद्दा हो लेनी no yes ठीक है ताल प्रेशर माने कौन whatever in your terms टेंशन कहो कि नहीं एग्जाम अंदर को टेंशन है कि नहीं ये ना नहीं यस ओके और स्ट्रेस मैंने सेटा ओके मैटर साइड हमरा छुट्टी है टास्क बस हमरा छुट्टी है टास्क देते होमवर्क दुई मासर छुट्टी दे जदि हमें होमवर्क करि मानी डेढ़ मास दुई दिन आगु होमवर्क करबा ताले कोन सेटा प्रेशर कोन पे दुई दिन पर कॉलेज खुलबो and we need to finish our task so we have some goal in it and we need to finish it off that is pressure okay tension suppose हमें ट्रैफिक में जाउथबा हैला हमर ट्रेन चढ़कर अछि कि बस चढ़कर अछि टाइम नहीं जाउछि ट्रैफिक के सिग्नल आसी गला ट्रैफिक रे बहुत ट्रैफिक अछि से सिग्नल मूव होनी ताला हम टेंशन बा पहुंच कर नहीं हेबो कि नहीं करबा कि नहीं तापरे आउती के पाट तू जिबा ट्रैफिक किछि नहीं क्लियर हे गला हां हमको लागियो कि यस वी कैन गो टू द वी कैन कैच द ट्रेन इन टाइम okay there is a fluctuation in our thoughts jai par नहीं पर को नहीं हो जय पर को नहीं ये पहुंच पर when there is a fluctuation that is tension and if this tension continuously is there then it is stress हमें सोए के उठेला कोई ब्रश कोई पर भी नहीं जाई पर भी नहीं कोई भी नहीं but everything if we are in a conflict then it is stress so we need to handle this stress okay so what happens when we are in stress when we are in stress our body is in a fight or a flight we may face or we may escape from the situation our that situation. The stress hormones will get released. These corticosteroid, adrenaline, these are all the stress hormones. They will prepare us to face the situation, to fight the situation. When we are continuous in that process, the corticosteroid will be continuously in our body and we will be in a stressful situation, and that leads to other disorders, which I will be discussing in further. And stress occurs when our pressure is more than the resources. Like our resources, yeah, our capabilities. Suppose we are in 75% student, and when our mother or parents ask us to take 99%, but our capability is like 75%. But pressure is given by the parents to get 99%, but they don't understand what is the capability of the child. So when the resources, pressure is more than the resources of the capabilities, then the stress occurs. Like here we can see, a man, like a thin man is fighting with an obese person. Can he be able to compete with him? Yes or no? Yes? No. Yes. The patla अच्छे से गिरती तो वो compete करेगा. His resources are not that enough to face him. So he will be in the stress. What is the stress response? What happens to our body whenever we are in stress? Generally, we are stressed with the blood circulation throughout the body, that will be diverted to the brain and to the heart. What happens then? Our senses will get activated. Vision, auditory senses, senses, blood will be directed over there so that our body all these complaints will be there. There will be a pulling of extremities, palpitations. Complaints to person. That's what is there. The glucose is again diverted to the brain. All these things happens when there is stress. Is stress good or bad? Is it good or bad?
Sometimes good, sometimes bad.
Sometimes good, sometimes bad. Yes, that's true. So stress हमको दो प्रकार का है. यू स्ट्रेस बहुत है, डिस्ट्रेस बहुत है. एग्जाम अगर हमें पढ़ी बात स्ट्रेस लो है, तो यू स्ट्रेस या डिस्ट्रेस, पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेस या नेगेटिव स्ट्रेस? Pardon? Positive stress. Because if we don't have that stress, we will not prepare for the exam. That is you stress. What about distress? When we don't have that stress, जल्दी से एग्जाम अच्छी पढ़ नहीं पाऊंगा है कि भूली हो. He will not be a failure. He will not prepare for the exam. So that is distress. Distress is nothing but it will motivate you to do some action. And distress, when it is high, when the stress is high, what happens? It leads to anxiety, distress. So prepare, both such students, like 90% of the students, they will prepare for the exam. But when they appear for the exam, they will not be able to produce it because of the block. किसी मने रही बनी, so prepare होते तो exam अंदर देखला को exam में देखला को किसी मने रही बनी, कौन में किसी thoughts आती बनी, because our brain is like blocked, we will not be able to produce the whatever we have done. Then the stress is more. That's what happens. So the stress always should be optimal. Minimum. It should be the medium. It should not be too low, nor it should not be too high. It should be the optimal phase. So what are all the stresses? We have the external stresses as well as the internal stresses. What can be the external stresses? Bahar factors the external factors are the like whenever temperature is high or the temperature is very low, we are not able to sit in this room, then it is external factors. And internal factors lie within us. So this is what makes you stressed. Stress may be different for some others. For one that may not be a stressor, but the same thing may be a pressure to the other person. So the stress is different to different people. So it can be a financial problems, like general parents depend. Hostel रे रहुଛନ୍ତି କି पॉकेट मनी ଆସିଲେ ଆଗକୁ ସରେଇ ଦେବା କି ନାହିଁ ମାସ ଶେଷରେ ସରିଯିବ financial stress and then the relationship issues boyfriend उठେଇଲାନି message phone କରିଲେ ଦେଖିଲାନି କଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେଖିଲାନି that is also a stress then it could be other factors major life changes. Like for women, it's the will go marriage. It's a major life change. From in-laws and mother's house to go to some other place. In-laws place where you need to adjust it. It is also stressful for them. Major life changes. Like for all these things are the major changes. So many health issues. Whatever will be there. It's also a stress. आपको ठंडा हो बार-बार ठंडा हो झाड़ा headache, fever, all these are the factors that cause us stress. Then, personal habits. Because of the stress, people will be started drinking to reduce the stress. They will be abused, they will get abused to some substances. Alcohol, ganja, cigarettes, most commonly. Negative thoughts. What happens when we get a negative thought in our mind? Generally, negative thought is what? Whenever we speak about negative things, suppose in a class where student wants to join, we speak about it. For someone may take it positive, someone may be taking it negative. But negative is what here? Our stress hormones release here, so that it affects our body. Then, perfectionism. जैसे लोगों को परफेक्शन पूरा लाइन टू लाइन लिखिबे करबे नीट रे लिखिबार अछि के आडे आडे असुविधा हेते जिंस गोटे जगह अछि माने आ गोटे जगह को गला माने सब गोल लगे माने एबरा then you have people around you माने केते लोग को कथा कहउछे सेबा जति आने हेबा मन को तो that also causes the stress. Related symptoms. Amra stress hela bele kono symptoms rahe. We have physical symptoms, emotional symptoms, and behavioral symptoms. What are all the physical symptoms? We feel like we'll get tired. First of all, fatigability, and then we frequently feel sick. Main complaint होगी fatigability, जोटा कि हमको लगे थकान लगे, and then it goes into the pain, body pain पूरा इधर से बोला. Body pain, there will be changes in the sleep, there will be changes in the appetite, all these things will be there. What happens to the physical symptoms? Tired, increased heartbeat, and then there will be stomach upset, sweating, and then restlessness. So how it will make you sick? So 75 to 90% are related to the stress. The most common is the heart disease when compared with the all other factors. छाती धड़धड़ लगे, गोड़ हाथ ठंडा है जाए, all these other factors related to the heart. So it can be that whenever there is a stress, it affects all the systems. First is the musculoskeletal system. What happens to our muscle? Here the muscles contract and there will be a decrease in the blood supply to the muscles, so that we have neck spasms, गोड़ हाथ पीड़ा होची, cramps होची, back pain होची, all these are the symptoms. But हमें जानी पड़ेगा कि it is all happening because of the stress. Then when it is related to heart, what happens to the heart? जेतोले blood supply कम में जाए, there will be a vasoconstriction. मतलब blood flow टा कम में जाए. तापरे BP बढ़े, that is increase in the blood pressure. और तापरे cholesterol levels भी बढ़े. सेटा जेतोले बढ़िबो, we have palpitations. छाती धड़धड़ लगे, गोड़ हाथ झिमझिमा है. मुंडो फुल्लाए एगुड़ा सब complaints आसे and there will be a breathlessness, hyperventilation, all these complaints will be there. Next, it also affects the GI system. केमती affect करे नितो ठीक रहे हेबोनी जेतोले नितो ठीक रहे हेबोनी या फिर what happens there will be increase increase in the gastric enzymes. Gastritis here, the most common problem which we see in our casualty. बहुत लोग का असली gastric होची, वर्षों gastric tablet खाती, but their gastric will not get reduced. They do not know they are already in the stress. Because of the stress, this gastritis is being aggravated. One, and the other thing is irritable bowel syndrome. What happens here, when there is a stress, there is a difference in the movements of the bowels. जोटा भी हमको intestines रहे तार movements गुड़ा differentiate है, मने कितने constrict है, कितने dilate है. When it happens, there will be a constipation and there will be a diarrhea. हमें देखिए वो complaints जैसे कि 2-3 दिन ना तब वो constipation छाड़ा ठीक रहे होना तो आउ 2-3 दिन तब ना कुछ छाड़ा free रहे, मने loose motions होते हैं. There will be a irritable bowel syndrome. That may also be the cause. That may also happen. So what happens? We have a hormone called cortisol. The cortisol enzyme, whenever we are in the stress, the cortisol hormone increases. What it causes is there is a shift in the metabolism. Whatever the basic metabolism rate, our metabolism could disturb it. It will slow down the metabolic process, so that there will be increase in the weight gain, increase in the lipid profile. They would also It also decreases the immunity in our body, so that we are prone to diseases. काको ठंडा है, काको खांसो है, immunity कमी है ना बोले ये बड़ा सब. So we have seen the physical symptoms. What happens to our emotional symptoms? Emotional symptoms में we have low mood, जोटा की दुख रहे will be in the depressive stage, दुख रहे या फिर we don't want to interact with anyone, social isolation रे रहिबो, और anhedonia where we used to enjoy previously activities. आपको लागुतला कि किसी मूवी जिबा का सांगो संगे खाइबा को जिबा कि बुली जिबा पर इच्छा लागुतो, but now the इच्छा गुड़ा किसी भी लागी बनी, will not be interested in doing those activities, will be socially isolated to those things, and then will feel hopeless. Our forgetfulness, bully jibata. At the age of 40 years, 30 years, people say memory disturbances, but that memory disturbances we call it as a pseudo memory disturbances. Actually, memory disturbances starts after 65 years of age, which we call it as a dementia. But when it occurs at the age of 40 years, what happens here is we are preoccupied with the thoughts and the emotions. When we are preoccupied with the thoughts, our abstract thinking and concrete thinking will be there, so that will be disappeared, and our emotional brain takes the leading part, so that our whatever we study, the memory disturbances will occur in that age. And then we have decreased excessive fear, anxiety, केमती है कौन है हे पारिबो कि नहीं केमती करिबो, all these things will be there. That is the emotional symptom. And now behavior. How our behavior will be isolating, will not do the things, procrastinating it is nothing but will cope up the things. So to come out will not do the things. To-do list will be increased day by day. And then we'll be having aggression, anger, irritability, all these things will be there. Cognitive, as I have already said, memory disturbances is the predominant whenever we are in the stress. There will be multiple thoughts, so that the memory will be disturbed here. So how we need to, I have explained about the stress and what it causes to the stress. Before going to the management, I wanted to tell you, I wanted you to know what happens when the stress occurs in our body. Before knowing this, if you go to the management, I think that you must not be able to handle it. I mean, you must be thinking, stress the management ko hi de chalti, stress re kono hai. But you need to understand what is stress rohichi mane, it not only affects our emotional, but it also affects the physical complaints. I think you are aware now, most of you, that our gastric complaints, our body pains, our sleep disturbances may be because of the stress. Somewhere you must be in the stress, because of that all these disturbances must have been happening. So coming to the management. So how can we manage it? Management रे किसी भी मार्क कोई भी नहीं. जो बड़ा अपना already जान सकती, जो बड़ा हमें प्रोड्यूस करती. But the thing is, just I'm here to just aware, to make you aware how you need to manage your stresses. एगुड़ा समस्ते जानिछु आमे हमर निज लाइफ रे अप्लाई करूनु दैट्स इट that to make aware to all those things I'm here to tell. So management, our body is a homeostasis. We need to be in a balance between our personal life and our professional life. So our personal and professional भितरे हमको घर काम बाहर वर्क प्लेस को आने वाले हैं वर्क प्लेस काम घर को चल पाते हैं. We should create a clear cut boundary between these two. So we should make sure that we should make some balance in our life. So like all other tests, जैसे जानी चाहिए आपको blood hemoglobin कमी anemia. How will we know that we have an anemia? Hemoglobin कमी ले हमें कही बाकी आपको blood कम अच्छी anemia अच्छी. Thyroid केमती thyroid रे tests करना. But in the similar way in psychiatry we have scales. माने हम जब stress रे होचु कि नहीं we have certain set of scales and in that we have the rating. से scales रे हमें देखिबा कि हमें निजे को rating करबा गोटे 3 रो हमको केते लागुची हमरो rating केते रहबा 3 भितर हमको से severity केते लागुची से हिसाब रे हमें से स्कोरिंग देबा तापर पूरा टोटल स्कोर मिसिला पर केते स्कोर आसी. Depending on that score, we will say whether it is mild, moderate, or the severe. So we have set of screening tools on there. That's what we call it. This is the stress symptom scale. So what are all the symptoms? You can go to this level. I will get the symptoms achi. Out of the 3, how much you will rate for your feelings? Generally low back pain. 3 रे तुम्हारा back pain कितने होची? So in that you need to rate it down. At the end of the questionnaire, you will know what is the score. If it is below 90, it is like mild, and if it is above 50, when the score is, it is like severe. So depending on that, you must be knowing it. Ki post yes, I have the stressor, and I in which grade I am. And this is the stressor. So most को stressor different. काफो गुटे positive है पर से stressor काफो stress ही non है पर. So you need to identify what are all the factors. वो जगह रे कौन stress होची. You need to identify that. To identify that, this scale is generally used. So after knowing that, you will be recording it in a stress gauge, rating the book कितने कौन होची. तो से the factor जो है मोर back pain होची तो तारो rating कितने 10 रे कितने rating होची. So what are all the techniques we use in the stress management? The very first thing in the counseling, everyone says that counseling is nothing but the talk therapy. First session in a counseling is किसी भी है तुमोर कौन पे आसी जोड़ी. We'll ask the patient to speak first. Because in this modern world with the most techy tablets and then हमारा जो mobile phone जो रोची और जो हमको टाइम नहीं दे पाते. Whenever we are at home or in the workplace, we are busy with the mobile and the internet, and we are not giving time to our colleague. We never ask our colleague कि तो मनो भलो अछि कि ज्वर जल्दी होछि हमें पछारिबा कि तोर ज्वर भलो हे गला कि तोर एक्सीडेंट हेछि भलो हे गला कि. But never we ask our colleagues कि तोर मनो भलो अछि कि किछि दुख अछि कि. Because हमें सब बोले कि concentrate on our physical part, but never on our mental part. So what I need to say is that whenever you are with your friends or with your colleagues, just talk. जितने भी मन में किसी दुख थाए, the first thing is you need to let it out. Because whenever your thoughts are in your mind, continuously it runs in your mind. Whenever it runs in your mind, the hormonal levels, stress hormonal levels, they will increase. जैसे वो supposition ले कहा, whenever there is a pressure cooker, तारे जो दिन यहाँ जोड़ू थो, सिटी टा पांची बोली, ताले pressure cooker टा फाटी चिपको ना नहीं. Yes or not? In the same way, we need to let our emotions out. Before, almost तो psychiatrist पापू आसी बेली, and there is a stigma in our society. कि if you go to the psychiatrist जेहेतु से पागल हेले से रोड रे बुलिले तेरे से पे जाएगी psychiatrist पाखु जिते. Yes or not? Yes. तो Now that stigma is being broken. When I joined 3 years back, we don't have these awareness sessions. Now I have joined 3 years back. Then there was the stress management, but no one allowed to do that. But now after the pandemic, when the pandemic corona has happened, there is a rapid increase in the psychiatric cases. Depression body anxiety body OCD body and they are now asking me for the stress session in everywhere. Okay, so before prevention is better than cure, as we say, whenever you have your emotions, drain it out with your confidential persons or the persons whom you trust. Even if you do not trust your persons, ନିଜକୁ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଡାଏରୀ ରଖନ୍ତୁ, ଲେଖନ୍ତୁ। ଆମେ ଭାବିବା କି ଯଦି କିଛି ଲେଖିବାନି ମାନେ କିଛି କହିବାନି ତାକୁ ଯଦି କହିଲେ ସେ ଆଉ କାହାକୁ କହିଦେବ କାଳେ ସେଇଟା କନଫିଡେନ୍ସିଆଲିଟି ରହିବନି ତ ରାଇଟ୍ ଇଟ୍ ଇନ୍ ଏ ଡାଏରୀ ଏଇଟା ସମସ୍ତେ କହନ୍ତି ବଟ୍ ୱିଲ୍ ନଟ୍ ଇମ୍ପ୍ଲିମେଣ୍ଟ ଇଟ୍ whenever you write it in a diary your emotions your vision your perception and as well as your motor activity are put into that diary and your emotions are drained out into that diary. If we don't have time, just speak. Talk to your friends, talk to your colleagues. Main thing which I wanted to say here is whenever you feel depressed, low or suicidal, break your silence. Ask your colleagues, speak to them. So change in your attitude. How you need to change your attitude. Here I have an example. Like I have no control in my situation. गोटे घटना हेछि से घटना को मु कंट्रोल करि पाबी केमति करबी कोन करबी हे पाइबो कि नै केमति आबो यू स्पीक लाइक दैट सॉरी माय ऑडियो इज नॉट दैट फ्लुएंट बुझी बात तो केमति करबी जदि एग्जाम आसुची पढिनी केमति करबी कोन करबी हेबो कि नै लिखि पाइबी कि नै बट whenever there is that situation you can change your response हाँ सेटा आसिले देखिबा केमति करबी कोन करबी केमति करबी कला माइंड रे योर इमोशंस रन आउट योर स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स इंक्रीज बट हाँ काली की जदि से क्वेश्चन आसिले देखिबा सेटा लिखिबा जहा किछि तो मने पड़िबो जहा अछि लिखिबा नले से क्वेश्चन को 10 थर रिपीट करबा तो द response which is there you need to change the response. Okay? Be realistic. हमें किसी गोल सेट करिबा set a goal which is realistic माने which is achievable. हमें गोटे गोल रखिबा कि हमें एबे आकाश को रॉकेट रे छिपा जाई परिबा कि हमें but we can fly in an aeroplane yes or no. It's just an example. Suppose I wanted to fly in air so I can go in an aeroplane. Set a goal like I wanted to go in an aeroplane. But don't set a goal like I wanted to go in a rocket. So aim a goal which is achievable. Organize your things. Last minute रे पढ़िबा एग्जाम रे आगुरु सब दिन जो क्वेश्चन होची so take some me time. A busy schedule रे maybe not for the students maybe for teachers रे निजे हमें busy रे रहिबा घर काम and especially for the females we need to go through the household activities we need to see through the kids but निज टाइम हमें दे पाइबा लेटर हमें सोचते हैं कि हमें आम टाइम कोन पे दे पारे तो गिव योर मी टाइम एटलीस्ट हाफ एन आवर इन ए वीक स्पेंड फॉर योरसेल्फ स्पेंड डू द थिंग्स व्हिच मेक यू हैप्पी लाइक इट्स व्हाटएवर लाइक हमें आगु पेंटिंग करूथले पेंटिंग करबा किसी भी डिजाइन क्रूशियस व्हाटएवर मेक्स अस हैप्पी शुड बी डन. Take care of yourself. Take good care of yourself. खाइबा पीबा हेल्दी करबा. Daily routine activities. जेमति कि टाइम पे खाइबा, टाइम पे सोइबा, हेल्दी एक्टिविटीज करबा, एक्सरसाइज करबा. Daily routine should be followed. केतेले किए उठिबो एक्सरसाइज करबा नि दौड़ी सकाळ उठिबा टिफिन बनेबा स्कूल को आसीबा जिबा. So set a routine. Set a disciplined life. What I mean to say is that the most important thing in the peer group. Kete student who says that ମୋତେ କଲେଜରେ ସିଗାରେଟ୍ ପିଇବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ପିଉନି, that is a stressor for him. He don't want to smoke cigarette, but because his friends is saying he wanted to take it, ମାନେ ନେବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଛନ୍ତି, ମୁଁ ସେ ଟେନସନରେ ମୁଁ କଲେଜ ଯିବିନି, କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ କଲେଜ ଯିବିନି, ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ କଲେଜ ଗଲେ ଏମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି. Make an habit to say no. You stick to that word no. ଆମର କେତେ ବି କାମ ଥିବ, what not about the second, whatever may be, ଆମକୁ ବହୁତ ସାରା କାମ ଥିବ. But if our friends say ମୁଁ ଘରକୁ 6 o'clock ଯିବାର ଅଛି, but say ନାଇଁ ଆସ ଯିବା ତମେ, କ'ଣ ହେଇଗଲା ମାମାକୁ କିଛି ମିଛ କହିକି ଯାଅ, whatever may be. If you don't want to go, if you don't want to do the things which you don't like, directly say no. Don't hesitate to say no. ହଁ କହିକି ତାପରେ ପସ୍ତେ ହେବା କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ କରୁଛି ବୋଲି. Then you need to do regular physical exercises which will activate your endorphins, which are nothing but the happy hormones. So that will activate jota ki goda hato cramp stress jetwele hebo, as I told you there will be a decrease in the blood circulation, so that you will have muscle cramps, weakness, all these things. When you do your exercise regularly, that will improve your blood circulation, so that you will be active. Hobby, whatever, any painting or any cruises, whatever you makes you happy, listening to the music, going to the park, whatever, spending with friends, shopping, whatever it may be. Do the things which make you happy. Slow down. Don't run. Don't do at a time like time thibo baki the dopamine. There is a research, like if you laugh at least for half an hour in a day, you are active for throughout the day. Say hosibata, like there is a study kora hai je gote doctor Delhi re jaithile. He has taken 5 persons to a park, and what happened there, he made them laugh, jokes କହିକି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ହସଉଥିଲେ. But eventually that didn't happen, jokes ହେଇଗଲା, କିଛି ହସିବାକୁ ହଉନଥିଲା. Then they started a fake laugh therapy. Fake laugh ମାନେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି ହସୁଥିବେ, ha 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 ha, ଖାଲି ହସିବେ ହେଲା. ଯେତେବେଳେ ହସିବେ, our body doesn't know whether we are laughing because of the joke or because of the fake activity. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି ho, when 90 seconds happens, automatically the body responds to those hormones. Endorphins will get released and will get activated by them. So many moments like jam to body, make jokes, spend with the family, go to a comedy show. It is not YouTube where comedy shows and all, but try to make it, give some time for those things. And then we have the relaxation exercises, as we all say, like deep breathing exercises. जोटा कि हमें प्राणायाम करूँ या अनुलोम विलोम करूँ, that will increase the supply of oxygen to your brain. That will relax you. That will relax your palpitations. ଯେମିତି କି heart କୁ show କିଏ blood circulation କମିଯାଏ, ଛାତି ଧଡ଼ ଗୋଡ଼ ହାତ ଝିମଝିମ ହେବ, ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେବ. If you relax it, take a deep breath and slow it down, slowly release it. You think of the stress hormone. When you're releasing the breath, you think of it that all my stress is going down. If you practice it, that will be this is called mindfulness also. So that is this is one of the training which we generally give. These are all like we do. Jacobson's relaxation technique, where every part of the muscle is relaxed. Then this is biofeedback. Here ECG, EEG, muscular activity ସବୁଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ wires connect ହେଇକି ଗୋଟେ beep sound ଆସେ. ଯେତେବେଳେ ବି ତାଙ୍କର tension ରହେ ନା, muscles contract ହୁଏ, as I said, when there is an increase, ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ sound ଆସିବ beep କରି, ତାକୁ ଲାଗୁଥିବ ହଁ ମୁଁ tension ରେ ଅଛି. So we'll say that take a slow breathing and then slow it down. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେଇଟା ହୁଏ, beep ଟା ବନ୍ଦ ହୁଏ. So this is practiced in our clinics. Then this is the cognitive behavior therapy, like in psychotherapy therapy time, where negative thoughts jaha bhi thai, we'll modify those negative thoughts, we'll think of the code tar stressor rochi, how he is thinking, depending on that we'll do it here. So the final thing, like you cannot change your future, but you can change your habits. And surely your habits can change your future. And to make a habit, you need to practice the thing, whatever may be. You need to practice it for 15 days. Once you practice a habit for 15 days, it will become, your brain gets adapted to that, and you will be in a situation to follow that. I mean, if you brush it has become a habit because we are following it from the birth. In the same way, if you wanted to follow a new task to be a habit, even if it is difficult for you, practice it for 15 days. After that, automatically your brain commands you to do that. So stop stressing and start living. Thank you. Any questions? Yes.
Whatever you are told,
Yes.
if you practice this, those things you can help.
Yes.
But I cannot make the consequence. After some days, after 3 days, I will go back to my normal life.
That's what I said. To make it a habit, you need to do it 15 days, even if it is difficult for you. Even by hook or crook, you need to do it for 15 days. Once you practice, did you ever continuously practice it for 15 days?
Yes.
You didn't have that effect. Okay, after that, what happens? That we need to talk in one-to-one session in why you are not able to concentrate. Do you have any other stresses or not? What are the physical symptoms and all you have? That we need to understand. More session stressor in the, I could give some message. Yes? Our questions? Yes. Yes, ma'am. I'll definitely give you, provide you that stress measurement scale, and then
मैडम
Yes, sir.
आम स्ट्रेस वर्ड सहित स्ट्रेन बोली वर्ड गोटे भी शुणु स्ट्रेस एंड स्ट्रेन
Yes, sir.
मैंने डिफरेंसटा कौन आ भितर कौन
Sir, stress रहुଛି ଆମର physical and strain is the stress रहुଛି ଆମର mental part, sir, and strain is our physical part. Whatever the symptoms we are seeing is the strain, and what the mentally we are happening in the brain, like tension laguଛି, concentrate रहुନି, का साथे मिसी पारो, those are all the stressors. Mentally जो भी complaints रहुଛି sir, सेगुड़ा stress, that is stress. Strain रहुଛି ଆମର physical complaints. माने सर आमे का साथे मिसी पारो, pressure feel करिबा, किछि काम करबा को इच्छा हेबनी. Whatever are the complaints are there, that is psychological complaints. All the psychological complaints are the stress. ଆମର gastric होछि, गोड़ हाथ बिंधा होछि, heart shock हे जाउछि. All these are the physical complaints which we call it.
I'll add the questions to try to queries.
No more questions? Thank you.
Every human minds, one a day, or one a second, or one a minute, the millions of the thoughts actually we are receiving. So how can you differentiate in between this? What is positive thoughts to our mind, or what is the negative thought in our mind?
Sir, for example, some friend, some new stranger is coming us. Put a clear mark for us. Now, बिसरे कितने लोग को positive भाभी में कितने लोग को negative भाभी. Positive माने 10 15 मिनट में मिस्सी कर. 10 15 मिनट सांगो है. और कितने लोग को भाभी में कि ये कोनो पार्ट वास्ते का सांगे मिनट में मिस्सी कर देता है. तो all the negative thoughts.
Thank you, madam.
मैडम
What are the different exercises? What are the different exercises? exercises that we do for stress. Okay, I have already told you many of the what you need to do. ଯେମିତି କି exercise ଯଦି ରହିବ ଆମର deep breathing exercises ରହେ. Where this assists the person, I didn't tell it pura detail. What we do here is we ask the person to inhale and exhale. है ना? जो inhale exhale कहूँ we ask for 1 second to take and 1 second to release. That we ask them to practice for 10 times. Okay? After that what we do, we ask them to increase the time. से 10 थर जदि करि पारुछि करिबे. नहले भी 2 थर हेले भी कर. सकाळु उठी 2 थर एटा 5 थर को पढाइबे, 5 थर को 10 थर को पढाइबे. When it becomes 10 times, then the time for each is increased. Like but I said 1 second, तापर सेटा 2 seconds. 2 seconds लेबे 2 seconds छाड़. 3 seconds. That depends on how you can increase your time, but not more than 10 seconds. One is that. Our we call it as a vision immersion. What happens here is we play a light music, we sit down, we think of a place which is pleasant to us. Suppose, for example, we are imagining a beach. So music chalu ya no chalu, we'll sit in a calm down place. We need to feel those senses. माने से किछि नथिबो बट हमें गोटे बीच रो इमेज जदि भाबिबा सेटा में भाबिबा कि थ्रू आवर ऑडिटरी सेंसेस विल थिंक ऑफ बीच रो साउंड केमति सुपर जाय गछर पवन रो साउंड केमति आसे बाय नोज द ऑल्फैक्टरी सेंसेस जेमति कि हमें ने बीच रो स्मेल आसे ना सैंड रो जदि पर्सन केमति रहबो तो वी इमेज दैट सीन एंड वी प्रैक्टिस दैट सेटा गोटे কথা. And the other thing is like as I have told you, जेमति कि हमें सामान संगे spend करबा, whatever the hobbies we like, we need to do, we organize the things.
आजर यंग जेनेरेशन गोटे प्रोब्लेम है जहाँ समस्त मोबाइल का धरी बस तो मैम सेटा स्ट्रेस को लीड कर.
Yes.
तो मैम ताकू केमती रिड्यूस करबा कौन कॉन्सेप्ट करा जाय पारे मेजर दा नहीं कौन दिया
सेटा तो निजे को हमें कंट्रोल करना पड़ेगा. We need to control our time. Because of that now we had the screen timer. अछि कि नहीं एडी केते जन को मोबाइल में स्क्रीन टाइमर अछि. Good. 1 2 even we cross the limit we do the screen timer. Yes or no? But that is a reminder to our brain that yes you have crossed your screen timer. Screen timer apply करते. Screen timer लोगे कि जितना limit रहो आ बिजू. And the other thing is because of this mobile phone I tell you we have a melatonin hormone which disturbs our sleep. So just before you sleep like 1 to 2 hours before you go to sleep stop all your electronic gadgets. Mobile ho, TV ho, laptop ho, at least ideally it is like 3 hours before your sleep. You try to do 1 hour before. Stop.
मैम डेली मेरे हमें समस्त संस्कृत बिहेव करूँ तो व्हाट इज द बेस्ट वे ऑफ लाइफ इंट्रोवर्ट और एक्सट्रोवर्ट.
See, one may be an introvert or the extrovert. Their feelings or everything is the same. So it is the life that body motivates them. माने से केमती हेबा को चाहूची सेटा डिपेंड करे तार पर्सन हिसाब रे. से जदि चाहूची कि मो एक्सट्रोवर्ट हेबा पाई तो he wanted to practice those activities which if you come to my clinic I will tell you what are all to do when you to become an extrovert. I mean that is a long session which I need to explain all the things that I need to.
Madam,
Yes.
madam, sometimes hormonal changes bring stress.
Yes.
Like in adolescence, hormonal changes.
Yes.
Can we cope with that?
Yes, there is a sudden transition from the childhood to the adult, right? So there is a rush of hormones and you have all the impulsive activities. When you are aware that you are an adolescent and there is a rush in the hormone, you need to calm down, slow down. Yes, this is my age that is making me to do this. Now just hold on for a minute, think of it before doing anything.
Hello.
I think many more queries from our student side they have already, but I think on the shyness of the natures of some of the students, they are not
Due to stress.
due to stress. They are not willing to ask the actual query. Samir, see, do you have a query? Okay, okay, you can put.
Absolutely.
If a person is in stress and continuously sharing the thoughts, okay, then
Thoughts will
if a person is continuously sharing
If a person is in stress and continuously sharing his thoughts with us, ask person how many days or months we will allow her for this.
15 days. Why? Because I'll tell you. ଆମେ depression କେବେ କରିବା? ଆମେ ସବୁବେଳେ depression କରିବା କିଏ ଅଛି ଯଦି ଆମେ କହିବା ସେ depress ଅଛି. But ideally in our terms, when the symptoms ଯେମିତି କି ଦୁଃଖରେ ରହିବା, କିଛି କାମ ଇଚ୍ଛା ହେବନି, ଥକାନ ମେହସୁସ କରିବା, ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ଲକ୍ଷଣ ଯଦି ରହୁଛି ଆଉ thoughts ଯୋଉଟା express କରୁଛନ୍ତି, continuously for a period of 15 days. ଯେମିତି କି ଆମର expert ଅଛି, we have a criteria. We have a criteria in psychiatry when to diagnose a depression, when to diagnose an anxiety, when we call it as a person irritable or panic disorder. So generally, depression যদি thoughts continuously express କରୁଛି for a period of 15 days, I can allow it. After that, we can then same thoughts are expressed continuously. Then you can ask for the reference and treatment tools.
ସେଇଟା ଆମ ପାଇଁ ବେଟର ହବ କି ତା ଫଟୋ ସିରିୟସ୍ କାମ ମାନେ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ଭଲ ହବ କି?
You need to listen. She is expressing her thoughts to you. She is expressing her worry to you. But when it is continuous, when she is not getting relief even after that, then you need to think of a therapy consultation, whether it should be a therapy or a pharmacotherapy. Since the counseling that depends.
Very good questions. Samir says he has actually asked. କେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କହିବା ଗୋଟେ ପର୍ସନ ଯଦି ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସଫୁଲ ରହୁଛି କେତେ ଦିନ ପରେ ତାକୁ ଭାବିବା ଯେ whether she or he is depressed or not. So very good questions he has asked to the madam. So now the session should be ended because our time is very limited. 4:30 now. So first of all, I would like to very thanks to our principals, madam, Dr. Draupadi madam, for giving us the opportunities to organize this in good healthy sessions regarding to our day before yesterday. As you know that the World Mental Health Day was celebrated. So thank you principals madam of our college. Then I would like to thank the doctor neuropsychiatrist doctors Rasmita Panchadeva madam. The madam has beautifully narrated that how our daily life is going now actually. What should be our taken our to think about our individual mental health. As you know that the mental is as our human rights. Do you know that the mental health is today is as a rights of our human beings actually. So on that basis or on the importance of that, the madam has also narrated that how we are differentiate between the stress and distress, positive thought or negative thoughts. How we will manage our the day-to-day stress life actually. What are the coping strategies should be taken out. So these are the things have already nicely discussed the madam. So thank you madam for your valuable time to sharing with us. So even if I would like to thank Dr. Bonmali Bhaskar for beautiful organizing. This is the ICT tools or beautiful the setups. So thank you Bonmali Bhaskar for organizing such a beautiful arrangements to smooth conduct this program. And last but not the least, I would like to thank our colleagues, the sirs and madams who have already seated here to listening the very more crucial essentials, the mental health things from the madams. And also I would like to thank the students who have actively engaged in this 1 hour sessions. So thank you once again. Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you.